So, how much ROAS do you need to be profitable on Facebook ads? So, hey guys, I'm Raman Kumar and I scale e-com brands to multiple 6 and 7 figures by leveraging Facebook ads and funnels. And in this video, I'm going to tell you that how much ROAS do you exactly need to get profit, right? To get profit out of Facebook ads by running Facebook ads. So let's get started. So recently a guy named James approached me and said that he is getting 5 ROAS but he is still not making any profit. So you may be thinking that how is it possible? He was getting 5 ROAS and still no profit. Yes, it is possible. Okay. And I know that 5 ROAS is really a good ROAS in Facebook and it is hard to generate, right? ROAS in Facebook ads. So in this video I'm going to explain you how, right? So James was selling a watch that costs him $100. That is the production cost. It is included the shipping cost, merchant fees, credit card fees, all other costs that is costing him, that is bear by James. Okay, so he was selling at a price, this watch he was selling at a price of $120 at a 20% margin. So the total profit he was getting, obvious, $20, right? The net profit. Now when you run, and maybe you know, right, most of you are run Facebook ads. Now when you run Facebook ads, then you have to pay some amount to Facebook to display your ads on its platform like Facebook, Instagram, right? Because you are using its platform to market your product or service. That's why, and it is obvious that it will charge you, right? So James did the same. He promoted his watch on Facebook and started getting sales. Okay. Now he was paying $30 to acquire a customer on Facebook. In technical terms, in Facebook metrics, we call this CPA or CPP. Right? CPA is cost per acquisition and CPP is cost per purchase, or you can say cost per sale also, right? So the CPP was $30 to sell a watch on Facebook. So what was the price of the watch? $120, right? And he was paying $30 to sell a watch on Facebook. So now let's calculate the net profit he was getting out of Facebook. So the selling price is $120 and minus $100, which is the product cost, plus $30, the price he was paying to Facebook, right? So $120 minus $130 equal to minus $10. He was actually in loss, basically. So where is the problem? The problem here is that he didn't calculate the break-even ROAS. Okay, so what is break-even ROAS? So break-even ROAS is a point where you will not make any profit or not lose your money. It is that point, right? So how to calculate break-even ROAS, which is very important if you want to run ads, right, by yourself on Facebook, so that you know how much ROAS you need to not to lose your money while running Facebook ads to sell your product or service, right? To market your product or service. The formula is break-even ROAS equal to net cost divided by net profit. Okay. So net cost, so all the things that include in net cost is, first is the product cost, not the selling price, but how much it costs you, right? So and merchant fees, credit card fees, shipping costs, all the things that you are paying for, right? You are okay. So just calculate it, just combine that all the cost and divide by the net profit. Okay, in James case, let's calculate the break-even ROAS for James, right? So break-even ROAS equal to net cost divided by net profit, right? So $100 was the product cost. I have included all the other cost in this amount because I want to take easy numbers to explain you, right? So $100 divided by $20 equal to 5. So what is this 5 ROAS? So So this is the break-even ROAS, okay? So which James needs to get if he don't want to lose his money. According to my experience, keep your break-even ROAS less than 2 if you really want to be profitable while running ads. And to do that, you need to increase your margin on the product. James was selling the watch at a 20% margin, but if he sell the same watch at a 40% margin, then his break-even ROAS will automatically go down. So let's calculate the new break-even ROAS. Okay, so now he's selling the same watch. We are taking an example. Okay, now he's selling the same watch at a price of $140. Means he increased its margin, his margin on the watch. So let's calculate break-even ROAS. So $100 divided by $40, that is 2.5. So you can see that he cut the his break-even ROAS by half, right? Before it was 5, now it is 2.5. So it means the chances are high for James to generate more profit using ads. Okay. So thank you guys. The video is end here, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions related to e-commerce and Facebook ads, then do ask me in the comment section of this video. Okay, so signing off for now.